you be use top 4 no na they fine tuning your squad. It will help top 4 especially Bibian Good Stars. Which means they've been able to fine tune their squad. Samson Eduku a Kotoko say onye fit for purpose at Kotoko no. Say me no ka say e will be Bibian Good Stars. Samson Eduku was on the scorecard for Bibian Good Stars. Another importance of the top 4 is to integrate new players. New players now clubs na signing omo clubs ni bi ebenya the opportunity ama sa new players no omo etimi ewura team nim enti enra Duku for Asufok or a new signing. He was able to score on the debut super clash in the Ghana Premier League. Samsona player bit say Ali Mohammed enra you will say when you a compact unit with Master 5 Michelle Kelvin Osaisibe ewo House of Folk central defense this time round for the first time in 7 games House of Folk keep clean sheet against Asante Kotoko. So you could see the new players now House of Folk enya omono they were able to integrate themselves into Masawood team now or building. Eugene, another point in it to build momentum for respective competition. Say you know, you say JS Kabili only Bibiani Gold Stars a very hectic task. But wow, we're top 4 biano. You could see say at least say JS Kabili ba enya dia Ghanaians be panic because we've seen a Bibiani Gold Stars team after winning the Ghana Premier League core transfer marketing they've been able to make strategic signings players now signing no quick forward etimi abo the old players ama Bibiani Gold Stars atwaso asababeje the top 4. Another one also say to intense football rivalries into enra which means enkran na a joyful moment omo kon kran enra omo based in enkran no they enjoyed the rivalry. And the last point and say to help emerging talents, and it's true we saw so many talents especially Heart of Lions the boys be known to Ghana football so you could see say na Zuba Kano the top 4 itself has really helped the participating clubs, especially clubs now jinem the competition CAF organizing Kotoko Kotoko has to write their note before their game against Kwara United. Obusam Kotoko ide mami Kotoko prekwan.
Ana esre.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko management. Yen Kanye Sharon so say this is a management the backing of Menchia Palace. But Eugene, point omo faso run football no is totally out of order. No football club would administer the affairs like this. Yanko Brighton and Hove Albion, omo transfer policy no. Omo use data-driven recruitment. Omo edikai every player and data. Player na Brighton and Hove Albion person omo tono no. They look at the data, and after looking at the data, no, be a scouting group. Emma, some particular player, no, enti me no ka say Brighton and Hove Albion. Player nanka Oba Manchester United. The Cameroonian international. They nearly sold him for over 100 million. But Busa say price and no. Busa say Moises Caicedo then buy into the limelight. Policy no use transfer system no. And on like Albuama say Ubo say year in year out player be Brighton and Hove Albion na emerging kakran. As a football club, you should have a transfer policy. Na penkra kwesi ewa ye be serew. me pacho Kotoko a big club whatever decision na who be make e Kotoko bia no kan hu say of public interest. Johnson Ousui decision be analysis be ko na ko mu a Kotoko e sign that particular player. Transfer policy ben and at this transfer window aye bie na na pekra ko say one Asante Kotoko e di kom emi ti am ko sign Johnson Ousui. We can never keep quiet over these issues. No. A ska irrespective say a mutual agreement. Sa slot na e ho ma Johnson Ousui no. Nanka a player be akoye fit for purpose will have used that slot for Kotoko. Until so say yeah the scout we no report na buy no e differ then the technical handlers they are not well to be at Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No, it cannot be done at Real Madrid. Say player by Real Madrid, player by Liverpool, player by Newcastle. Scouting report now they are bred the technical team no. It is not accurate and it is not credible. Then technical handlers now more Kotoko CCA you know. Yeah, kind of crunch them say you are not doing your work well because across the globe, football and yes, no. Every club has a transfer policy. This season, transfer me no type of players buy na me pay. Club they tell me go pay this type of players. Me target in the saying. Sign na me person ye season na mitimi achieve enu nti me de go ho me ko pay home players. It's Brighton and Hove Albion. Omo use data driven recruitment. Kotoko die no mu use. Eye tete Kotoko na player bia sori ayese ombe Kotoko ni bia na. So back here and now there is a notion out there say player bi bo ma club bi no one Kotoko bo no timi share 2-3 goals it ends up say Kotoko be signing that player at the end of the season. It is sign you go so ya Kotoko na Eugene. At least there should be a professional bite. There should be a professional bite. This is Asante Kotoko, club of the century. What mean anything just like that? And the feasibility studies being a technical team and some of more Johnson who go ahead say umbrella officially that Kotoko sign. When a competitive level at saying and our mudi to Mr. Omra Kotoko. It's Johnson also the other day. Nana Pekra could say, well, you've had it wrong on any day. Kotoko should have a transfer policy at the end of each season. So you see, I said that then what is the essence of you serving as the IMC chairman? There should be an organogram structure. Transfer policy. This player na mepeno because the style of play to say mepeno because last season otimi cross this number of balls into the opponent box. Mepeno this player because the take ons are good. There should be a data driven recruitment. Eti player be sorry agent be peja no ho osusu se Kotoko de I can feasibly make my way out. Eti mame peja player bi na men for fake report on Ombejiatum and indeed Yajiatum ama say me no kasa Johnson Ousui officially went me akeke league game Kotoko went me am league game Kotoko but mutually oko me they are not taking about say you be train can say train the idea is that Kotoko atra say okwa sign player just like that without any data backing the player. It's the nakwesi apenkra wu ya sraw Kumasi Asante Kotoko no enye say ne ye no player bia about club the club knows the reason to omukwakofa that particular player
mate if you cry to what you see
but na me ba Karim Zito so
by Attakora I say nana apenkra nko a